Micsig High-Resolution Tablet Oscilloscope MHO1 Series. Basic operations and precautions. Let's take a look. The MHO1 series oscilloscope comes with Oscilloscope Main Unit 1, Adapter 1 and Power Cord 1, Passive Probe 4, a pair of multimeter probes, Blade Fuse 1. The MHO1 series oscilloscope has a version without a multimeter. Oscilloscope Main Unit 1, Adapter 1 and Power Cord 1, Passive Probe 4. Next, we will demonstrate the basic operations using the MHO1 with a multimeter. First, turn off the power lock function of the oscilloscope. Default on for new devices. When carrying outdoors, turn on the power lock to avoid startup. It has an 8 inches HD touch display, anti-reflection, fingerprint, and glare. Waveforms are clear and sharp. Built-in rechargeable battery, 16000 mAh lithium-ion battery, 3.7 volts. Interface, USB 3.0 host, Type-C, LAN, HDMI, DC 5 volts charging port, size 265/17431 mm, and net weight 173 kg. One-hand grip, backpack friendly, ideal portable oscilloscope for field use. Short press the power key bottom right. Enter main screen after Micsig logo. Main functions are on the home desktop. Includes oscilloscope, multimeter, and user guide, app stores, tools, etc. First, oscilloscope functions. Click on Settings, System, Language and Input Method. You can switch and add languages. Here we switch to English. Tap the oscilloscope icon to enter the function. Open our channel settings menu. Tap outside or swipe right to close the channel menu. Drag a channel outward to turn it off. Tap level to adjust trigger and stabilize waveforms. Rotate scale to adjust time base. Short press cursor or tap bottom right to enable cursors. Cursors read voltage, time interval, frequency, more accurate than scale reading. Tap quick save bottom left to save waveforms. Open in ref call. Swipe up bottom menu. Click screenshot to capture screen. Check screenshots in gallery on home screen. Swipe down from top to open main oscilloscope menu. Includes measure, sample, trigger, and more. Swipe up from top to open bottom menu. Full measurements, FFT, integral, differential, and custom math functions. Swipe up channel area to switch to channel to controls. Tap to enable decoding. Open bus config menu. Select UART decoding and decode channel 1. Connect the included passive probe to the oscilloscope. Calibration. For first use, calibrate with built-in square wave. Adjust probe screw until square wave edges are flat. If you need to use the multimeter function, we can be on the oscilloscope interface. Short press scope on oscilloscope screen. Use the same key to go back, or return to home screen and tap multimeter. Insert multimeter probes. Insert the black probe into the COM socket and the red probe into the V socket. Turn on buzzer mode first. Touch two probes together. Emitting a beep indicates that the connection is normal. Select your range and start testing. Precautions. Fuse multimeter version is replaceable at back bottom left. Note, the multimeter free version does not include this fuse.